Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate. More free questions at dotCreds.com. Question 1. Which principle of Microsoft's responsible AI standard focuses on ensuring that AI systems treat everyone fairly and avoid affecting similar groups differently? A. Fairness. B. Reliability and safety. C. Privacy and security. D. Inclusiveness. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. Fairness. A is correct because fairness focuses on ensuring that AI systems treat everyone fairly and avoid affecting similar groups differently. Why this matters? The wrong choice changes how technicians or teams configure, troubleshoot, or support fairness. Question 2. Which Azure service is best suited for extracting key-value pairs and structured business-ready content from forms and documents? A. Azure Document Intelligence. B. Azure AI Search. C. Azure Machine Learning. D. Azure AI Vision. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. Azure Document Intelligence. A is correct because Azure Document Intelligence enables text extraction from forms and documents, returning structured business-ready content for organizational use or development. Why this matters? The wrong choice changes how technicians or teams configure, troubleshoot, or support Azure Document Intelligence. Question 3. A support team wants long customer messages assigned to categories learned from its own labeled examples. Which language capability should it use? A. Custom text classification. B. Speech-to-text transcription. C. Image object detection. D. Knowledge store table projection. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. Custom text classification. A is correct because custom text classification directly matches the custom text classification requirement being tested. Why this matters? Custom language models are used when pre-built text analysis is not specific enough for business categories. Question 4. Which of the following models is covered by Azure Service Level Agreements when deployed through Foundry models sold directly by Azure? A. GPT Chat Latest Preview. B. Cohere Model. C. DeepSeek Model. D. Meta Model. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. GPT Chat Latest Preview. A is correct because models sold directly by Azure are covered by Azure Service Level Agreements. Why this matters? Understanding which models are supported by Azure ensures reliable deployment and maintenance of AI solutions. Question 5. Which of the following is a capability provided by Azure AI Search for enhancing search functionality in applications? A. Enriching content with skills that perform chunking and embedding. B. Providing unlimited storage for user-generated data. C. Offering real-time video streaming services. D. Creating custom gaming environments. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. Enriching content with skills that perform chunking and embedding. A is correct because enriching content with skills that perform chunking and embedding because Azure AI Search includes AI enrichment to make raw content searchable through techniques like chunking, embedding, and LLM-assisted transformations. Why this matters? Understanding the specific capabilities of Azure AI Search helps developers integrate advanced search features into their applications effectively. Question 6. When planning to deploy a solution for recognizing named entities in legal documents, which Azure AI language service should you use? A. Detect and redact sensitive information. B. Recognize named entities. C. Analyze healthcare documents. D. Automatically determine input language. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is B. Recognize named entities. B is correct because detect and redact sensitive information because this service focuses on detecting and redacting personally identifiable information, PI, rather than recognizing named entities. Why this matters? Correctly identifying named entities in legal documents can enhance compliance and data accuracy. Question 7. Which of the following is a key capability of Azure Document Intelligence when managing large volumes of data from various document types? A. Enabling text extraction and structured content for business use. B. Providing real-time video analysis services. C. Offering cloud-based storage solutions. D. Facilitating social media analytics. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. Enabling text extraction and structured content for business use. A is correct because enabling text extraction and structured content for business use because Azure Document Intelligence enables the effective management of data collected from various document types by extracting printed, handwritten text, tables, and document structure. Why this matters: accurate and efficient document processing can significantly enhance business operations through informed decision-making and innovation. Question 8. Which Azure service should be used to implement a generative AI solution by selecting appropriate services and applying safety controls? A. Azure OpenAI Service. B. Azure Cognitive Services. C. Azure DevOps. D. Azure Kubernetes Service. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. Azure OpenAI Service. A is correct because Azure OpenAI Service provides tools for selecting appropriate services and applying safety controls when implementing generative AI solutions. Why this matters: the wrong choice changes how technicians or teams configure, troubleshoot, or support Azure OpenAI Service. Question 9. Which Azure service allows developers to analyze images by uploading an image or specifying an image URL? A. Azure AI Vision. B. Azure AI Language. C. Azure AI Search. D. Azure Machine Learning. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. Azure AI Vision. A is correct because Azure AI Vision provides developers with access to advanced algorithms for processing images and returning information by uploading an image or specifying an image URL. Why this matters: the wrong choice changes how technicians or teams configure, troubleshoot, or support Azure AI Vision. Question 10. When deploying a generative AI model in Azure AI Foundry, which of the following is necessary to ensure proper deployment for GPT-OSS-20B? A. It requires a Foundry project. B. A dedicated resource group must be created. C. The model version must be set to 1. D. Streaming capabilities are mandatory. Take a moment, then we will review the answer. The correct answer is A. It requires a Foundry project. A is correct because GPT-OSS-20B, like other Azure OpenAI models, requires a Foundry project for deployment. Why this matters: understanding the deployment requirements ensures successful integration and utilization of generative AI models in Azure environments. More free questions at dotCreds.com.